So this AI tool is so powerful that it also understands what you are trying to ask. So here it says, here is the romantic poem for you. And yeah, do give it a read. Just pause this video and just read the entire thing. This is so beautifully written. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Sunny and I'm a software engineer. Today in this video I'll be talking about one more use case of ChatGPT. So till now in this ChatGPT video series, I have uploaded two videos. The first one was about how you can increase your productivity as a software developer, and the other one was about how you can use ChatGPT as a mock interviewer so that you can practice for your upcoming interviews. Today I'll show you a fun way of using ChatGPT. Yes. So let me tell you that today is 9th February, and as we know, this is a Valentine's week. So I have decided to show you how you can use ChatGPT to express your love towards your loved ones. Most of the time, I have seen and also experienced that during this week, we kind of feel very confused about what to do, what to plan, and how to basically surprise your loved ones, right? So today I'll show you how you can take help from ChatGPT to plan your Valentine's week. So I hope you're excited. So let's start with this video. To plan this week, first you have to know what are the different types of days called during this Valentine's week. So I'll first ask ChatGPT to give me the days of a Valentine's week. So here it gives you the list of days, which basically starts with 7th of February. The first one is Rose Day, Propose Day, Chocolate Day, and so on till 14th February, right? So now based upon these days, what we want to do is we basically want to plan the week, right? So during Valentine's week, you can use ChatGPT in several ways to make the occasion even more special. So what we can generally do is we can basically ask ChatGPT about different ideas, right? So let's say that you are planning to gift a customized greeting card to your loved ones, right? So basically we can ask ChatGPT to write personalized Valentine's Day greetings and messages that you can use to create a e-cards or printable cards, right? So we can basically ask any vendor to create a customized card and put that message on it, right? So similarly, let's say sometimes it happens that we want to gift something to our loved ones, but we are confused what to buy. So you can basically ask ChatGPT about different gift ideas. Similarly, you can ask ChatGPT to generate romantic poems to share with your loved ones. Similarly, you can ask for love quotes and whatnot. Sometimes it happens that you are not in the same city or country, but still you want to surprise your loved ones during this time, right? So what you can do is you can simply ask ChatGPT about any virtual date suggestions. So if you are unable to celebrate Valentine's Day in person, you can ask ChatGPT for a virtual date ideas that you can do together over the phone or a video call. So I'm going to try out all these things right now, and let's see how ChatGPT responds with. So the first thing I'm going to ask is to write a personalized Valentine's Day greetings so that I can use it for my customized greeting card, right? So let me ask to write a personalized
Valentine's Day greetings and let's say messages for customized.
So wow, if you see, it has provided me these many messages and also suggested that if you want to add some more personal touches and any inside jokes if you want. So how wonderful is it, right? So let's move on. Let's ask if ChatGPT can provide me some good ideas about the gifts. And let's say if I want to buy gifts for all of these days. So what I can ask is, give me gift ideas for all days of this week. So this is so wonderful. I want you to pause this video and read all of this. So this is really perfect. Like, so for each day of the week, it has provided with a bunch of gift ideas which you can definitely buy and then surprise your loved one. So this looks really interesting. I hope you have read all of them. And also if you see at the end, it has also a suggestion for you. So yeah, keep this in your mind and surprise your loved ones. So let's move on. So the next thing which I'm going to ask from ChatGPT is if it can provide me any sort of love quotes or love poems, right? Sometimes you want to text to your loved ones, right? So let's see if it can provide me some love poems. So give me a big love poem. Okay, there is a typo. This also understand if there is any typo. So let's see if it understands this. So this AI tool is so powerful that it also understand what you are trying to ask. So here it says here is the romantic poem for you, and yeah, do give it a read. Just pause this video and just read the entire thing. This is so beautifully written, and I'm damn sure if you're going to share this with your loved ones, they are going to love it. So yeah, that's another idea which you can do. The last thing which I would like to ask ChatGPT if it can suggest me for any virtual date. So let me ask, suggest a virtual date. So let's see. So isn't this amazing? If you see, it has provided you a lot of ideas. So something like virtual cooking class or a virtual game night, right? So you can definitely pick some of this and then you can try it with your loved ones, and I'm sure they are going to love it. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to use ChatGPT during this time because I know you need it. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share this video with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because the next video on ChatGPT is going to be a crazy one. So stay tuned.